DAJA DJ6 Pro Computer Software Installation Tutorial. Text engraving tutorial. Next, we will use text to engrave OK after entering content. Style. We choose hollow engraving. Adjust the size. Laser power. The larger the value, the higher the light output power, the deeper the carving. The lower the output power, the shallower the carving, the higher the engraving speed, the faster the laser moves. The carving will be shallower. The lower the engraving speed, the slower the laser moves. The deeper the carving will be. Set the power to 100 and speed 30. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Click Reset before previewing. Then click Border Preview. Hold the left mouse button and drag the text. You can adjust the engraving position. Preview again. After confirming all parameters and positions, click Start Engraving. Next, fill in the text for engraving. Adjust the position. Click to fill. For filling, the power doesn't need to be too high. Power 60. Speed 50. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Preview location. Adjust properly and start marking directly. Text engraving. Click on the text. Enter content. Solid, hollow, italic, bold. Let's use solid to engrave. You can change the font here. Size. Letter spacing. Line spacing. You can change the text content here. You can change the position of the text here. You can change the size of the text here. Click Reset before previewing. Then, click the frame to position and preview the location and size. After the position is confirmed, laser power. The higher the power, the deeper the engraving will be. The lower the power, the shallower the carving. The shallower it will be. Laser power is 50. Movement speed. The faster the engraving speed, the slower the speed, the deeper the carving. Movement speed is 50. Carve once. After the parameter position is determined, click Start Carving directly. For the engraving material reference table, you can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Black and white picture engraving. Click the image. Select a picture. Click Open. Adjust the size. Then adjust the position. Click Reset before previewing. Then click Border Preview. Laser power, power 50. Speed 50. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician for parameters and positions. After parameters and positions are determined, start carving. Picture engraving. Click on Image. Select Image. For engraving images, the clarity needs to be maximized. Black and white, grayscale, outline, sketch. Comic Style 1, Comic Style 2. Select black and white for black and white pictures to engrave. Adjust the size and position. Click Reset before previewing. Then, click the frame to position and preview the location and size. After adjusting the position and size, laser power is 70, movement speed is 40. After the parameter position is determined, click Start Carving directly. The engraving material reference table. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Picture engraving. Click the image. Select a picture. Open. Black and white, grayscale, outline, sketch. Comic Style 1, Comic Style 2. For photos, we usually use grayscale and Comic 1. We choose Comic Style 1 for carving. For photos, the clarity must be fully adjusted. Adjust the size. Adjust the position. Click Reset before previewing. Then click the border preview. Power and speed are both 50. The material reference table for engraving, or the after-sales technician. You can contact the platform customer service after confirming that the parameters and positions are correct. Start engraving directly. Contour cutting, engraving. We use circles for cutting. Select the print method as repeat engraving, because repeated carving is needed. Power 100, speed 10. Change the carving times to 10. Click Reset before previewing, and then click Audio. After confirming the position and parameters, click Start Carving directly. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Offline carving. When we have completed a carving once, the machine will record the carving content. You can use the offline engraving function without using a mobile phone or computer. Click Preview or Engrave. You can directly click this button on the machine. Note that after the machine is turned off or restarted, the recorded content will be cleared. The button on the machine will not respond. Press the top button once to start preview. The second press stops the preview after going offline. The laser head cannot move. The carving position. We need to move the position of the wooden board manually. Press it again to preview. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds to release it. Then the carving starts.